Yeah, day 21 of building a web app on Lovable until the 31st of January. Well, building the web app is happening. There will be something functioning. Let's see how well it will be functioning. So today has been mainly about JSON. It's what's used by to make the API work. In this case for Shotstack, and I found that Lovable is not really able from the get-go to create a very well structured JSON to combine all the parts that I want to combine into one video. So that's like the images, it's the song, so the audio, the lyrics, certain movements, fade-ins, fade-outs, a title. So yeah, that's quite a lot that has to come together there. So yeah, probably I just expected a bit too much magic. So yeah, let's see what happened there. This is how the JSON looks like for Shotstack. So yeah, this was output done by Lovable, which didn't really generate the results I was looking for. So I got several challenges. Well, the text, it's not really following the lyrics of the song in the sense of the timings, so gotta find a solution for that, like convert it in the audio in an SRT file. Then it's not really showing the subtitles. You can't see them, or you can't see the images, or you can see the subtitles. So yeah, and I found myself having to start playing around with the JSON structure as to see if I can get some improvement. So yeah, I've been playing around using Postman. Well, finally got some text to actually appear in front of the image. So yeah, making some progress, but yeah, not as fast as I would like. So though I feel it's a bigger struggle than I anticipated, I do see I'm making headway with this JSON structure, and step by step I'm getting to a better build of this structure, so that it can do exactly what I expect it to do, and then pass that on to Lovable to implement. So yeah, like, follow, comment, and take care.